So first of all, I apologize. I didn't get to do Financial Literacy Friday yesterday. It was a very busy day. I got behind, but I did not want the week to end without coming to you to give you some useful information. So today I'm going to speak about this segment I call mid-year housekeeping. So, there are three major things that I want to talk to you today about. The first one is taxpayers and filing your taxes. Have you filed your taxes? The second one is if you are a business owner. And the third topic is going to be about payroll withholdings. So, let's start with the first topic. First of all, if you are a taxpayer, which most of us are, and you have not filed your taxes, federal or state, even if you filed an extension, I just want to remind you that if you owe or you think that you may owe in federal or state taxes, then you need to file as soon as possible, because you will be, especially with the federal government, you will be penalized daily interest and penalties for every day after the filing deadline that you did not file. So an extension does not exonerate you from having to pay the taxes. It does not stop the clock from ticking on the amount that you will owe. In fact, an extension is actually increasing the amount that you will owe if you owe anything, because they're going to add penalties and interest on top of your bill. So anyway, just as a reminder, for all corporate taxes, business taxes, that deadline was March the 15th. So your clock started ticking on March the 16th. And for personal taxes, the clock started ticking on April 15th, as we all know. So the clock started ticking on April 16th. So that's that on that. Get it done, get into it, keep your coin in your pocket. The second topic is about businesses in general and business owners. So if you own a business that was organized in 2024, let me say it that way. So from January 1, 2024 to now, so at any point in 2024, then you had 90 days to file your beneficial ownership information with the FinCEN network. Now, this is, a requirement. It's not you can do it if you want to do it. You need to do it. And this comes under the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or you might have heard people refer to it as FinCEN. So this has to be filed. You can do it very easy, very quickly online. It can be e-filed in less than 10 minutes if you have all the documentation that you need. But just be reminded, if you started your business in 2024, you had 90 days. If you had a business prior to 2024, you have till January 1st of 2025 to get your BOI information filed. Now, let's talk about the penalty for this. So if you do not comply with this federal mandate, then you could face a fine of up to $10,000 and 3 years of imprisonment. So you going to jail for not doing this, okay? So anyway, keep that in mind. Do not let your deadlines pass you by, okay? Get it done. And if you can't get it done, then you better come up with a good justification for why you did not get this done, because they is not playing with us business owners. Now, the third thing is about payroll withholding. So it's time for that mid-year payroll withholding review. So I need for you to check your W-2s, check your year-to-date pay stubs, and look at your tax withholdings to make sure that you're trending to meet your tax liability come December 31st of 2024. If you don't think that you're having enough tax withholdings come out, then I recommend that you reach out to your payroll department so that you can update your W-4 form so that you can have additional taxes withheld, so that when you go to file your 2024 taxes, you will not have a big tax bill looming in front of you, okay? So, keep those three things in mind. That's a lot of good news and information you could use. And if you need additional assistance with your finances or would like additional information on these topics, please go to our website. You can go to our YouTube page. But also don't forget to like, drop a comment or a question, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. Have a happy weekend. Enjoy yourself. Be safe.